I had never done a PowerPoint presentation before I came here. Things like that. You know, I feel like I've been at school in college since 2004.
There are many engineers here, a kind of the same way of thinking or kind of motivating each other by looking for better solutions.
We spent 15 years developing the tech park, and over that period of time the park's grown to where now we have 40 companies on site, 7,000 people employed, and a really strong educational relationship with the University and Pima Community College. I'm Bruce Wright. I'm the Associate Vice President for University Research Parks at the University of Arizona. Well, I've always been interested in how technology gets moved into the marketplace, but more importantly, how do you then take that technology, put it into the marketplace, and make it work for the benefit of the region and the community? How do you create jobs, wealth, improve the quality of life? And I think that's what we're trying to do here at the Tech Park. There are two primary goals of the research parks. The first is to take these incredible ideas of our faculty and students, turn them into products and services, and take them out for the benefit of society. The side benefit, that is, though, it creates wages, employment, and wealth for the community, and that's immediate and it's direct. The second goal of the park is to create employment opportunities for the graduates from the university. The average wage here at the Science and Technology Park is about $85,000 a year. That's twice the average wage here in Pima County. So through these companies and through this effort, we're creating high-wage jobs for the people in the community. A lot of people feel, well, it's only going to create job opportunities for the person who has an advanced degree. It's the physicist with the PhD, or it's the biologist who has a master's degree. In fact, 60% of all the jobs in high technology are for people who have a college associate or bachelor's degree. The Tech Park is home to 4 Fortune 500 companies, Raytheon, IBM, Citi, and Canon. So they're creating high-quality jobs through big companies, but we have a whole series of smaller companies, which are high-tech companies that are also creating employment opportunities. Part of what we try to do at the Tech Park is to create the environment and the place that allows those companies to succeed, accelerate, and expand their activities, and grow the small company into the next Hewlett-Packard or the next Microsoft or the next IBM. One is a company called Metapax. It's founded by a local inventor-developer here. His invention actually was just chosen by Popular Science as one of the top 10 inventions this year in the United States. It's an infusion pump. It's a pump that will allow you to deliver drugs into the bloodstream on a continuous and regulated basis.
My name is Mark Bannister. I'm the founder and Chief Technology Officer of Metapax. Metapax is developing a unique new drug delivery device, so it makes drug delivery that is programmable and very controllable, very low cost, and so low cost, in fact, that it becomes a disposable item. And this is the drug on the device, and it can be placed right on the patient. Therefore, the patient can get up out of bed, walk around, things like that, without having to drag that stuff around with them. Much more comfortable.
And the advantage of it is twofold. One is it's very inexpensive. So it allows you to take that device and that medication out into the third world, into countries where you can't afford, expensive medication, and that has huge implications. The second thing is that it can be monitored continuously, and therefore it will reduce the number of errors in providing medication to people, particularly in hospitals. You can program it, you can use it to then deliver medication into the bloodstream, and you don't have the errors that often occur in hospital or other applications. So we think it will be transformational in the area of drug delivery. One of our real stars here at the Tech Park was a company that was started by a faculty member, Nasser Pegambarian. Dr. Pegambarian is one of the leading optical scientists in the world. He's a faculty member in the College of Optical Science at the University of Arizona. He started a company here called MP Photonics. What he developed was a way to create fiber, glass, that's used in lasers that has extraordinary properties.
My name is Jean-Michel Merut, and what I'm doing at MP Photonics, I'm managing the production and the manufacturing engineering. This product is a high-end fiber laser. It produces a very low noise and narrow line width optical emission. It's being used by a variety of customers in the sensing market. Oh, here Joe is testing the electronics. Is many part of an incoming inspection. When we receive, you can see here this electronic board. That's part that has...
They started out as in a little office here developing a business plan. They developed their product on site. Now they're marketing that product all over the world. The upside of the Science and Technology Park is that it's a major part of the economy of southern Arizona. We have 40 companies here who have developed products and services that are then sold and marketed all around the world. As a result of that, we're bringing new income, new money, new economic wealth into the community, which multiplies and creates opportunities for everybody. It's really based upon the work of those companies that we have this $3 billion annual impact on the Tucson economy. And that's huge. And to put it into perspective, the main campus of the university generates about the same kind of economic impact. The tourism industry is about $3 to $4 billion a year. So this park is a major part of the regional economy. And then finally, I think the biggest economic impact is we're training and educating a whole group of very bright students at the University of Arizona. We'd like to capture those young people, those bright minds, and keep them in Tucson. And by creating these kinds of employment opportunities, rather than moving to Phoenix or San Diego or New York, they stay here in Tucson, and they'll help grow our community and make it a better place to live.
You're watching Tucson 12, the City Channel.